It is that time again. I have a massive Shein haul. You guys loved the last one, so I had to do another one. So let's try everything on together. Let's see what I got. Now this time I got some things that I was a little bit unsure about. I got some capris, which I don't know if I have the body for, but let's try them on together. Okay, I have found the capris and they are actually see-through. I did not realize they were going to be see-through, so that was a boo-boo for me. I think I maybe got 2 pairs, so let's check. I really hope I got 2 pairs because I was very excited for the capris. Well, not a good start. I feel like one of those like pork rolls. I'm gonna put a picture just to like get the image that I have. I haven't even tried the pants on yet. They're long pants, so I'll pop them on to try. This is just the top, but I'm not loving it. Let's try the pants on with. Yeah, look, I say no for this one. Let's try the next one. Okay, well this is also a fail. This is just the top, it's also a set. It's giving Frumpy. Let's try the pants with it. Okay, I think maybe the pants are a little bit better, but still not great. It's certainly not the look I was going for. I think maybe I could salvage the pants by themselves, but I think the top is not it. Let me know what you think. This one I actually do quite like. I do wish I sized down though. It is quite loose, so it's not giving the like fitted look I think could be quite nice. It's not fitted, it's just kind of sitting, but it's still quite cute. It just is quite loose and baggy. So I think if I got it again and just sized down, it could be really cute. Okay, this next one, I literally have no idea how I'm meant to tie it up. I'm gonna have to look back on the website. This is how I've done it for now, but I feel like it cannot be right. I have seen dresses like this before, but it just does not feel right. It's like a really low back and like it's tied low. I don't know, it doesn't feel right, but I don't know. I don't mind it, but I don't think it's right. So I'm gonna have to double check that and maybe retry it once I know for sure, but I don't know, I don't hate it. So we'll see. I ordered this one because it looked really cute on the website, but I feel like it's giving 90. Someone else tell me, but I feel like 90. Can I like spice it up? I don't know. It's giving 90. Am I gonna wear it to bed? Maybe. I've just put any top on for now just to try the capris to see if I can get away with wearing them. I don't think this top goes at all, but I just wanted to try it. I actually don't mind them. I don't think this top's very flattering to go with them, but I think I might find some other colors. Maybe just like some black capris. I feel like they could be quite cute with like just some sandals, even just to like go out and about. I don't think they're ugly. I think they're quite cute. Let me know what you think. Again, probably not with these shorts, but I got this cute top and I think I am definitely gonna get it in a few other colors. It is very cute, super comfy, and I think it's definitely, I don't know what's the word, chic, cute, I don't know. I like it. Honestly, I don't think I'll be getting many sets again. I feel like they have not been the best. I feel like I could go one or the other, not both pieces at once. This is another set and it for sure needs a steam, but I just feel like, again, it's a fail. Both pieces are honestly way too big. They're too thin, they just don't work, sadly. That is all of them except for one, the bodysuit, and again, it's way too thin and not wearable. I couldn't even imagine putting it on, sadly.
I feel like my last haul was way more successful, but I guess that's the luck of the draw when it comes to fast fashion. If you want to see more hauls, make sure to subscribe and like this video and let me know where you want to see me shop next. I have an upcoming holiday very soon in Dubai and I am going to be planning my outfits for there, so I think I'm going to be doing a bit of like a pack my suitcase with me or something like that. So if you have any recommendations for places to shop, please let me know in the comments and I will do some shopping and share with you my finds. So let me know your favorite pieces and thank you so much for watching. Talk soon.